6 Best Car Lift for Home Garage. Looking for a reliable and safe way to lift your car at home? Today, we explore the 6 best car lifts for home garages. From 2-post to 4-post lifts, we'll cover easy installation, weight capacity, and safety features. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best car lift for home garage. Let's get started.
1. Albott 7000 lbs Portable Car Lift. The Albott Portable Car Lift is a smart choice for your home garage. It lifts 7,000 pounds easily without any hard work for you to do. Setting this tool up in your shop is simple and takes little time. The steel frame makes it very strong and tough for daily use by you. It goes up to 28 inches, so you have lots of workspace. You can move the locks to keep the car safe and secure always. This is great for working on cars, light trucks, and big family SUVs. The lift folds down flat so you can store it away very fast. It saves a lot of floor space when you are not using it. This cool lift is a great deal with a price of $1,400 to $1,600. Verdict: we think this is the best movable choice for easy garage use today. It mixes big strength and easy storage into one cool package for you. If you have a small space but need big power, this is the one. 2. Worcest 2PC's 5T 11,060 pounds hydraulic car ramps. The Worcest hydraulic ramps are a smart way to lift cars quickly. They are much easier to use than those old heavy metal jack stands. You just drive your car onto the ramps and pump the handle up. The power pump lifts the car smoothly to give you more room underneath. Each ramp is built with heavy steel to make sure it lasts for years. They can hold a huge weight of over 11,000 pounds per pair. This makes them perfect for heavy trucks and large SUVs in your garage. You will like the safety locks that keep the ramp steady and secure. You do not need any special power tools to use these simple ramps. You can buy this helpful set for a price range of $200 to $300. Verdict: our view is that these ramps are the top choice for heavy vehicles. They are very strong and super simple for anyone to use right now. If you own a big truck, you need these ramps in your life.
3. VEVOR Portable Car Lift, 7,000 pounds capacity. The VEVOR Portable Car Lift is a top pick for many home car owners. It has a strong lifting limit of 7,000 pounds for heavy cars. The electric motor does all the hard lifting work for you very fast. It can raise your car to a height of over 26 inches quickly. You can use it for tire changes, brake jobs, and repairs easily. The steel body ensures this lift is tough and safe for you to use. It uses a remote control that makes using the lift simple and safe. You will feel very safe working under your car with this sturdy tool. The lock snaps on to stop the lift from coming down by accident. You can own this powerful lift for a price range of $1,300 to $1,500. Verdict: our view is that VEVOR offers the best electric power for the price. It is perfect for anyone who wants auto lifting without the manual work. You get great features without spending a lot on a big lift today. 4. QuickJack Bundle 6,000 TL Portable Car Lift. The QuickJack bundle is the most popular choice for car lovers everywhere right now. It is famous for being very fast, safe, and very easy to use. This model can lift up to 6,000 pounds with its strong steel frames. The pack has wall hooks to store the frames flat on your wall. You also get rubber blocks to protect your car frame during the lift. The system runs on normal power, so you can plug it in anywhere. It lifts your car in just seconds with the push of a simple button. The open shape gives you full access to the bottom of the car. You can easily do exhaust work,
engine service and oil changes with ease. This full bundle offers the best quality for a price of $1,800 to $2,100. Verdict: our view is that QuickJack is the overall best lift for home garages. It offers the perfect mix of safety, speed, and ease for everyone today. If you want the safest and coolest tool, this is the one to buy.
5. XKL1220V 10,000 pounds 2-post car lift. The XKL1000 car lift is for serious people with a large home garage. It has a huge lifting limit of 10,000 pounds for big trucks. You will need a special space to put this heavy machine up properly. It lifts the car very high so you can stand underneath and work. The strong arms are made to fit many different types of vehicles easily. The heavy steel coasts are built to last a long time in your shop. You can easily reach every part of the car with this Pro lift. It is perfect for big repairs like engine swaps or gear work jobs. If you have the space, this is the best lift for total access. You can get this heavy lift for a price range of $1,900 to $2,300. Verdict: our view is that the XKL1000 is the top Pro garage upgrade. It is the best choice if you have a large space and big trucks. You will never need another lift once you put this beast at home. 6. Maxority 5-ton hydraulic low-profile car ramps. The Maxority hydraulic car ramps are perfect for cars sitting close to the ground. They use a pump jack built right into the ramp for easy lifting. You can lift up to 10,000 pounds safely with this strong set. The steel body is thick and strong for heavy use in your garage. A pin-lock safety part keeps the ramp at the height you need. You can adjust the height from 10 to 14 inches very smoothly. They are painted to stop rust and damage from oil or grease spills. This is a great tool for quick jobs like changing your oil safely. These ramps offer a safe way to lift your car without big tools. You can buy these ramps for a price range of $150 to $180. Verdict: our view is that Maxority ramps are the best cheap lifting solution. They are perfect for new people who want to do their own oil changes. You get Pro lifting power without spending much money or taking much space.
Which best car lift for home garage should you buy? The Albott 7000 LBS portable car lift is great for cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Offers 28-inch max height and easy mobility, perfect for tight spaces and DIYers looking for an affordable, versatile lift. The Worcest 2PCS 5T 11,060 pounds hydraulic car ramps are ideal for larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. The hydraulic system makes lifting easy, portable and simple to store, great for basic tasks like oil changes. The VEVOR Portable Car Lift 7,000-pound capacity lift is for sedans and light trucks. 120-volt power unit for smooth operation, compact and portable, easy to set up and store. The QuickJack Bundle 6000 TL Portable Car Lift is ALI certified and has a 6,000-pound capacity. Portable and safe, it includes pinch weld blocks for vehicle protection. Perfect for light trucks and cars. The XK1000 220-volt 10,000 pounds 2-post car lift has a 10,000-pound capacity and a 220-volt motor for heavy-duty and commercial-grade work, ideal for larger vehicles and frequent use. The Maxority 5-ton hydraulic low-profile car ramps are perfect for low-clearance vehicles with a lifting range of 10.6 to 14.7 inches. Compact, easy to store, and great for basic lifts.